Hey Mike, if this one doesn't come with a freaking mount, I'm Today we're gonna work on this 2016 real X6M. It's real, Tyler. It's not fake like yours. So when you turn and give it gas, you kind of feel a vibration, kind of a chatter a little bit, and then determine it has a bad transfer case. So that's what we're gonna work on it today. So we're gonna lift the car up and pretty much replace the transfer case. Just got it delivered from BMW, it's a brand new one. And it only fits the M cars, either X6 or X5Ms. So yeah, let's get it done. Instead of taking the whole exhaust out, I just dropped it down a little bit, the shield came right off. Since I'm not going to take the whole drive shaft out, just push it to the side a little bit and then I'll take the transfer case out. You know what? Let's just do that. I changed my mind, I'm taking the exhaust out. Since Ben insisted. Yeah, I might as well just do it this way. This one is next. Perfect. See if you can spin this.
Right now?
Yeah. Yes, okay.
Well, now I can.
Well, that's all I wanted to know. Okay. So what we got to do now, we're just gonna take the flex disc out from the transfer case, because the new one doesn't come with it, and then push it to the side. Yeah. Oh, ground. Okay, so now we need to remove the small drive shaft.
The drive shaft's gonna pop out?
Yeah, with it.
Okay. Got it? You're free? Oh, the drive shaft's pulling from the front?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty wedged in there.
Okay. You want me to grab that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it what, like 30
Yeah,
pounds?
it's light. You got it.
This is it. Easy peasy. Fresh from BMW. I just put this one back, so it might be much easier. Right there. How about that? This now. There it goes. Perfect. So much easier this way.
Oh, yeah. It's in.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Could have not done it without you.
There you go.
Okay, so we just got the brand new transfer case with help of John Ross. Went in with some little finagle, but it's in, and I'm just gonna put the remaining 4 bolts, torque those, put the drive shaft. We decided to put the small drive shaft first, and kind of helped. Okay, so all we got left just to put the heat shield right here, the mount, and pretty much the exhaust. We have to reinitialize the new transfer case because I mean the module needs to know it has a new case in there, so it needs to be readapted. So this is it for this car. So I'm not sure what we're going to work on next. We'll find out here before too long. So second day, shorter hair, different car. So on the X6M, it went beautiful. Everything went smooth. I got to say that was the fastest BMW I've ever driven. I don't know. When I talked to the customer, I guess it's been tuned and has just downpipes, but that thing was fast, extremely fast. So that's gone. Now today on this one, we're going to work on this 535. It's 2012 and it does have a oil leak. So the customer took it to a different shop. They told him he needed a rear main seal. They quoted him 25 hours, where the book goes for 10, which the rear main seal is fine. It needs a valve cover gasket. Very simple. So, and also has a check engine light, and you got to be careful when you change the oil on those. I'm going to show you actually, it's easier. So the check engine light, the code is for the Venus. Every time we get a Venus code, we need to see who changed the oil last and see if there is a missing part into the cap. First thing we looked yesterday was the oil filter, and sure enough, this one does not have the center tube. Ta-da! So let me go grab the new one. So pretty much this one is gone, and that's what regulates the pressure for the Venuses. So yeah, you got to be really careful who you trust working on your car, because like I said, they told them it needed the rear main seal at 25 hours, which they're lying. It doesn't take 25 hours to do rear main seal on this. It's only 10.1, something like that. So I guess probably when they pulled the old filter out, they just pulled the whole thing out. So always double check that this part is in. How quick is real quick?
Like 15 minutes.
Somewhere like 30. Yeah, there is a Mercedes that needs a couple filters done first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, got that. So obviously someone has been on this part of the engine right here, not having the right tools, because this screw was stripped. So luckily I have an extractor kit. It does look like a regular T25, but it's not. This one is a special tool. It's an extractor. I love the smell of gasoline after lunch. I feel like I'm losing these freaking extensions up and down, left and right. It's just getting thinner and thinner in here. Yeah, they're pretty hard, so it's overdue for one. Okay, so I'm just done cleaning the area where the new gasket is gonna go. But I want to point something that caught my eye. It kind of makes me happy. Look how clean the inside of the engine is. that tells you he's on top of the oil changes. I mean, it makes me so happy because it's super clean. This engine will last forever if you maintain it regularly. So, okay, now we're gonna get the valve cover. It should be dry. Put new gasket in and reassemble everything. Well, I just don't want to repeat myself every time I do a gasket, but use genuine. Well, to the customer it's the same price. Either I use genuine or aftermarket, but it will bite you in the ass on the long run, so always use genuine. Okay, so every time you, at least myself, because I had a few gaskets roll while I put the valve cover on, so I always go with the mirror, make sure it did not came out from the groove. Because if it does, then you have to redo everything. You're gonna have like lean mixture codes and all that good stuff. So make sure the gasket is in place before you tighten everything. Case in point, the gasket came loose. You wanna hold this harness up for me? Because I keep rolling this damn gasket. We're almost done. All I got left just to put the harness in there and the coils. And this bad boy is done. It only has 125,000 miles. I mean, it looks really, really clean inside. I'm very impressed and happy. And the last thing, before I go, just triple check, because the gasket rolled twice on me on this one. So triple check with the mirror, because you can damage your gasket if you tighten it, or the car is going to run like garbage. So, but this is it. Thanks for watching.